Hello guys, today we'll be presenting a demo of Bonsai. Bonsai, as you might have already seen in the initial part of the video, is a distributed business rule management system. So, to begin with, the top level concept in Bonsai is a namespace. Namespace is a logically separated set of rules. So, I'll just straight away dive in with a example. We've already created two samples here. Let's go ahead with the loyalty system. As with any rule engine, right, there are some elementary operations associated with the business rule management system in general. Those being creating a rule, viewing all your rules, and a third one is evaluation, be it through a API, wherein like all the other services call this business decision service through REST APIs, or we've also provided an option on the UI for evaluation. So I'll go step by step. So let's first look at the create flow, right? So some basic um, inputs here required are a description of the rule, right? That will just give you an idea of what the rule talks about. So let's say I say 150 purchase unit completed, right? So one elementary operation here would be one elementary variable that would be required as part of input would obviously be the number of purchase units for that particular case. So let's say purchase units 150, right? So now variable, let's say on 150 completion of 150 purchase units, I enter I kind of give them an additional discount of 10% per se, right? So yeah, after you do that, you will click submit. Your rule gets created and it gives you a high level view of what the rule that you just created. So it says purchase unit if purchase unit is 150, the additional discount offered here would be 13%, right? So yeah, yeah, you've created the rule. Now let's look at all the rules available as part of this namespace. So yes, we have a lot of sample dummy rules already created. So for example, the 100 purchase units, we offer additional discount of 5, and for additional purchase, the one that we just created, if purchase units are greater than purchase units are equal to 150, right? So we offer a discount of 30%, right? So yeah, so now we move to the evaluation flow. So in evaluation flow, purchase units, I'll just evaluation flow contains all the it contains all the set of all the attributes that have been used to create the rules. So purchase units is obviously here. So yeah, I'm entering that I've created complete purchase units 150. This gives me two rules that are executed, right? So one of them being because the purchase units are greater than 107, then obviously this should have been executed. And yeah, sorry, yeah, I kind of missed it. Yeah, so yeah, the other one is the additional discount of 13% that is applicable because he has completed 150 purchase units. Yeah, so this was an example of the evaluation flow, as well as I showed you how all rules work. So yes, now another feature that we have provided with this is also, not to mention that we have an API. We have vended out an API which any, so let's say you already have your cloud infrastructure set up, you have your different microservices behaving in a certain manner, taking certain actions. You can use Bonsai as your decision service, right? It's just a matter of a few clicks and you have your business rules ready to be served as a REST API. Now, and another, yeah, as we showed you, right, it makes it all the more easier for even for the business folks in a particular tech company or a tech-enabled company to make business behavioral changes. Now, the other important feature that we have added here is telemetry. On every rule execution, we push certain metrics to the Redis time series that we've utilized as the time series DB. for storing these metrics. Now how you can use those metrics, right? Once you know, okay, now you know that this particular rule wherein the purchase units were greater than 150, right? So this is being executed a lot of times in last 7 days. This clearly indicates your loyal customer base is increasing, right? So these are these are like, this is a very simple example of how you can derive intelligent insights from these metrics. Because all your decisions are being computed through a single place, we are publishing those metrics, so metrics can be used to derive insights. Now we are planning on adding a dashboard as well for displaying those metrics, but as of now those metrics are visible through the Redis Insights module, I must say, as a workbench that is being that has been provided by Redis itself. So yeah, Redis time series section of the Redis Insights will help you visualize all the metrics that we've published as of now. So yes, this was it. Thank you.